lost Mr. Morales?
Yes, sir, number 21.
No, he's not here. Or is he here? There he is, okay. All right, Commissioners, I need to entertain a motion to come out of executive session and return to regular session.
Make a motion to come back into regular session.
Second.
Motion made by Commissioner Martin, seconded by Commissioner King. Any other discussion? Call the vote. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those against, motion passes. We're now in regular session. We move to agenda item number 21. A, discuss and take action on accepting Wilson County Republican Committee's recommendation to have Santiago Jimmy Morales sworn in as Precinct 1 Constable to replace the late Constable Leonard Guzman's present term expiring December 31st, 2024. Do I have a motion?
I'll make a motion to appoint Mr. Santiago Jimmy Morales to the office of Constable for Precinct 1 in Wilson County to fulfill the unexpired, the unexpired term.
Second.
Second.
Motion made by Commissioner Martin, seconded by Commissioner King. Do we have any other discussion? Hear none, I'll call for the vote. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those against? Ayes have it. Mr. Morales, congratulations. Come on up, sir. You have the floor. You want to say a few words before we swear you in?
Just thank you. You won't be disappointed. I guarantee that. So,
We have no doubt, sir. Okay, let me get you to raise your right hand.
yes, sir.
All you have to do is say your name, I'll say the rest for you, okay? Because it's a lot. I, Santiago, say it, I
Santiago G. Morales,
do solemnly swear or affirm that I will faithfully execute the duties of the office of Wilson County Constable Precinct 1, unexpired term of the state of Texas, and will to the best of my ability preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution and laws of the United States and of this state, so help you God. All right, sir, very good. Let me get you to step over here. We want to take a picture with you. We got to find it.
You're gonna get a nice little plaque.
All right, agenda item number 22, discuss and take action on order regarding transportation of juveniles, Texas Family Code, Section 52-06. Commissioners, this was some correspondence sent to me by the Judge Wilson and Judge Dillingham regarding the transport of juveniles on court cases. The JPOs, the juvenile probation officers, are not trained to do that, although they have before, and they had a child escape them. So all this is doing is ratifying the fact that, and Sheriff, have you seen this already?
I think I saw it when it come on the agenda. I have.
Okay. So,
They're gonna need police transport.
and there are, and You're already doing it anyway.
That's what I was gonna say.
Right. We're doing it already. This is encompasses both Carnes and Wilson.
Sheriff, you have any idea how big an impact this is going to be?
They're already doing it.
We are trying to, know,
No, I'll make a motion to,
I guess it's not adopt, I guess it's comply with the order, I guess. No, or- I don't- Do we really need to take any action? I mean, it's court ordered.
I don't know how you would word the
Well,
motion.
I would just say, make a motion to abide by the court order regarding transportation of juveniles.
make a motion to abide by the Texas Family Code, Section 52.026, for the transportation of juveniles for Sheriff Department.
Second.
Motion made by Commissioner King, seconded by Commissioner Martin. Any other discussion regarding agenda item number 22? Hearing none, a call for the vote. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those against, motion passes. Let me sign mine, I'll send it down the way. Agenda item number 22, we have Lou Serato, Permitting and Development Director, 23A, non-standard plat variances, 1, Twin Oak 311-Precinct 3. Mr. and Miss Ellis, discuss and take action.
I thought we determined it wasn't in precinct 3.
It's not in Precinct 3?
I spoke to Commissioner Aiken. He said it's not in precinct 4 either.
North of 34, 32, according to my map.
Yeah, so on the map online, but I don't think that one's updated. The one that Commissioner Aiken showed me shows that it's in precinct 4. But if you,
Mrs. Ellis says that where it was, so I don't know where it is.
Which one is it in?
it should be in 4. I'm sorry, it should be in 3 since the map changed.
This is 34, 32 going from the points out to the Bear County line. And if it's Twin Oak, which is what is showing up on the paperwork, then it shows to be in precinct 3 under the new map.
Okay. Because I have a Twin Oaks subdivision in Lavernia.
Right. And I mean,
This is Twin Oak Road. Okay, go ahead.
So this came before the review committee this past Thursday, and it was given favorable, was given approval by our review committee. The Ellises are basically just splitting up their land to sell that portion to pay the mortgage on their current property right now. They did provide letters from GVEC and SS Water approving the split of the land, and provided documents stating that there's no current subdivision homeowners association or covenants and restrictions that would restrict that split.
Commissioners, I'll entertain motion for 23A1.
Just a second.
Okay.
Okay, this received a favorable review from the permitting and development, so I will make a motion that we approve the non-standard plat variance at 311 Twin Oak for Mr. and Miss Ellis.
Second.
Motion made by Commissioner Paradola, seconded by Commissioner Aiken regarding agenda item 23A1. Is there any other discussion? Hear none, a call for the vote. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those against? Ayes have it, motion passes. We go to 23A2. Encino Torcido, 182, Precinct 4, Jennifer Santos, discuss and take action.
So this was a different case. This variance is for 11 inches in the easement or one of the setbacks of their property. The mobile home was placed there beforehand, and it was approved by, I believe, Judge Quintney at the time. They purchased a new mobile home, did not place it in the exact same place. Now the property owners are trying to sell their property, and FHA is requiring them to get a letter of acceptance from the county stating that it's okay to have it 11 inches in the easement, utility easement. They did provide letters from the utility companies releasing it. But this variance would just secure the county's permission.
They bought the property, the trailer was okay, now then the back corner is 11 inches.
Too close. Yep. I went out and did a site survey on it. Make a motion that we accept item number 2 on agenda item number 23, being more appropriately named property 182 on Encino Torcido by the Santos family, and accept the request for the variance.
Second.
Motion's made by Commissioner Aiken, seconded by Commissioner Paradola. Is there any other discussion regarding 23A2? Hearing none, I'll call for the vote. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those against? Ayes have it, motion passes. 23B, 1, Chaparral Ranch Subdivision, Unit 2, 1, review and approve final plat, discuss and take action.
This was also given a favorable approval from the review committee. This is Phase 2 of the current Chaparral Ranch subdivision. And the engineer is here to answer any questions if you have any.
It says that she gave it to me to give to you. Because it's double stacked.
Okay, I see a letter from GVEC saying that it's valid for them, but may need to obtain additional permissions from other utilities. We have any problem with that, do you foresee?
GVC, that must be the
Am I
variance.
looking at the wrong one?
Yeah,
Okay.
Chaparral is Phelps.
Okay. Got it, okay. Scared me.
I'm like, GVC.
All mixed up here, I'm like, trying to find the right one, so. Okay. Commissioners, I'll entertain a motion on 23B1.
I will make a motion to approve the final plat for Chaparral Ranch Subdivision Unit 2.
Have a second?
Second.
Motion made by Commissioner King, seconded by Commissioner Paradola. Is there any other discussion regarding 23B1? Hearing none, a call for the vote. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those against? Motion passes. We move to 23B2, discuss and take action on acceptance of letter of credit. We you have that in here?
No, that one I received at the end of the week and was emailed, but I do have it here if you want to take a look at it. I also sent this to the county treasurer to revise.
Okay.
This is the letter of credit for Chaparral Ranch.
Yes, for Phase 2 of Chaparral Ranch.
I was gonna say, I knew we'd seen it.
I saw
Yeah, I emailed.
You'll have that? She's got it, okay.
So we're good? I'll make a motion to accept the letter of credit of $1,109,473.50.
Second.
Motion made by Commissioner King, seconded by Commissioner Dolo. Any other discussion on 22E? Here, I'll vote. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
All those against? Ayes have it. Passed.
Thank you.
Move to agenda item number 24, our Jim Stewart, our county.
We're not approving the plat?
Yeah, sorry.
Sheriff,
Oh, wait a minute, we had to approve those plats.
We gotta,
where's it at?
It's 23B1.
we voted on it.
We did vote on it,
Did vote on it.
didn't we? Yes, sir.
Okay. Somehow I missed, because I didn't check it off, and I was wondering, how do we get to?
Motion was made by Commissioner Cardolo, seconded by Commissioner Aiken.
Okay, all right, works for me.
Sheriff? All right, agenda item number 25. I don't know if that's a compliment or not.
No, those just,
We'll go with this. All right, Commissioners, I'll entertain a motion for agenda item number 25.
I'll make a motion that since it's been reviewed by the judge and the county attorney, that we accept the court minutes as presented.
Second.
Motion made by Commissioner Perdola, seconded by Commissioner Aiken. Is there any other discussion regarding Agenda 25?
They were emailed out to us on,
Yes.
more people to think that I didn't look.
I'll call for the vote. All those in favor say aye. All those against? Motion passes. I'm sorry, Commissioner, did you have a comment?
No,
Okay, I didn't want to cut you off, so. All right, agenda item number 26, we have Jalen Bodiford, our Human Resource Specialist, presentation of payroll. I hope I don't put you on parole, and personnel changes.
Not today.
We can put you on parole.
Well, that's okay. Okay, James Mitchell was hired as an evidence room tech for the sheriff's department, making $23.73 per hour, or $51,826.32 annually, effective July 29th. Angelica Cuellar was hired as a tax customer service specialist for the tax office, making $15.38 per hour, or $32,000 annually, effective July 22nd. Javier De La Vega was hired as a road hand for Precinct 3, making $22 per hour, or $45,760 annually, effective August 19th. William Walpole was hired as a road hand for Precinct 3, making $20 per hour, or $41,600 annually, effective August 19th. And Carrie Ellison resigned from her position as an assistant county attorney for the county attorney's office, effective July 31st.
Thank you, ma'am. Agenda item number 27, we have Ms. Brenda Trevino, our county auditor, discuss and take action on county bills.
we also had this.
The bill total is $284,178.64.
Do you have any idea what this lease payment is in the county attorney's office?
I believe that's for the vehicle that they have.
Was it budgeted?
That's something that,
The way I look at it is there was no money budgeted in that line item at the beginning of the year.
In reading that, is that $795 a month, or is that $795
Yeah, this has been going on a couple, 3 months, and I've been meaning to
a
ask
month?
about it.
Okay. Can we
Yeah.
look into that and find out what that's about? Okay.
I'm not sure we should pay it.
When it says Acme, it's kind of,
Well, I know, it's like, yeah, Acme Auto Loans, and, it's not budgeted. From what I looked up on 4340, I don't know, Scott, you got your budget sitting down there with you today from last year? Mine shows 0 in that line item budget.
Evelyn, would you know anything about that vehicle?
I know we've been paying it.
Do their code officers that work for them commissioned under you, whose vehicles do those belong? They're not commissioned under y'all? So y'all never provided them vehicles, correct? Okay.
I'm looking at this, what is their starting prefix?
0450.
That's not the way the codes start, we're at.
Oh, you have a
1,000.
longer code.
Yeah, we've got the long code, 0450.
It should be right after the JPs if you can find a different.
I'm there now, so it's being
show zero?
4340 shows 0 and 4340, because I was going, that's our number for maintenance, and it's showing up as a code number for maintenance,
It's zero, right?
and it's 0. Correct. It's coming in under the county attorney's office, yes, ma'am.
I don't know, I'll find out.
And it says August payment.
I'll make a motion to approve the bills with the exception of the Acme Auto Leasing under 4340 for the county attorney's office pending further review.
Second.
Motion made by Commissioner Martin, seconded by Commissioner Perdola. Is there any other discussion regarding agenda item number 27? Here none, I'll call for the vote. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those against? Ayes have it, motion passes. I'll entertain a motion to adjourn.
Adjourn.
Motion made by Commissioner Perdola, seconded by Commissioner King. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
We are adjourned. Y'all are quick on that motion.
We are not. That was